Welcome, and today we're going to take a minute to get to know the GUD27EEMNWW. Looking for a laundry center that can handle your laundry needs? GE has the perfect solution for you with this laundry center. It's 27 inches wide, it has a 4.5 cubic foot washer, and a 5.9 cubic foot dryer. It also has an auto sensing, which means that it will automatically measure the load size and add just the right amount of water. It does all the work for you. You deserve to have a machine that takes care of all your laundry needs. That's why GE creates this amazing white laundry center. It's reliable, efficient, and very easy to use. Everything you need in a washer and dryer.
For more information and exclusive pricing on this product, visit our website, canadianappliance.ca, to chat with an online agent and receive a live product demonstration.